Just thought I'd make this quick video on how important it is to get everybody to get back into nature. I know working the 9 to 5, whatever job you're doing, financial stress, stress from the job, whatever it is, find time to get back into nature. Your mind's going to wander. Don't try to stop it. The only thing you can do is focus on the breath. Always go back to focusing on the breath, into the nose, out to the mouth, or focus on the heartbeat. But don't never try to stop that mind racing. You can't do that. Just focus on the breath or the heart. You can be sitting in the woods meditating, taking long hikes, which I love to do, walking, whatever it is, but make sure you find that time to get into nature and recenter. Bye.